Are you a freelancer or student starting out, but don't have a website yet to show your work? Then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to create a completely free and professional-looking portfolio using Notion. Without writing a single line of code, Notion is a powerful tool for writing, organizing, and even building simple websites. And the best part? It's 100% free for personal use. And you can publish your portfolio online with just a few clicks. Let's dive in, step by step. Step 1. Set up a blank portfolio page. First, go to notion.so and create a free account if you don't have one already. Once you're inside, click on New Page to start building your portfolio from scratch. If you don't want to start from zero, I've linked a free starter template in the description to help you move faster. Name the page something professional, like My Portfolio, Maria Design Portfolio, or Your Name, UX Portfolio. Step 2. Create key portfolio sections. Now let's structure your portfolio. You don't need a fancy design. Just make it clear, easy to read, and client-friendly. Here are 4 must-have sections. First, an About Me section. Introduce yourself in 2 to 3 sentences. Who are you? What do you do? And what problems do you help clients solve? Tip: keep it concise but confident. For example, I'm Maria, a freelance UX designer who helps startups create clean and user-friendly digital products. Next, add a projects or portfolio section. This is the most important part. Use Notion blocks to showcase 2 to 3 of your best pieces of work. These can be client projects, personal case studies, writing samples, design mock-ups, or even code snippets with screenshots. Use headings for each project name, followed by a short description of what you did and the problem it solved. Third, create a services or skills section. You can use bullet points, simple lists, or even tables here. List what you offer clearly. For example, logo design, landing page UI, social media graphics, or blog writing. Optional tip: add icons or emojis next to each skill to make it visually interesting. And fourth, add a contact section. This can be as simple as a line that says, "Reach me at example@email.com," or add a Notion button that links directly to your email, Calendly, or LinkedIn profile. Your portfolio is now ready. But we're not done yet. Step 3. Publish your portfolio to the web. Click the Share button at the top right and toggle Share to Web. Copy the link, and boom, your portfolio is live on the internet. You can now share it with clients, add it to your Upwork profile, or use it as a link in your social bio. Optional tip: want your Notion portfolio to look like a real website, with your own custom domain or no Notion branding? Use a free tool like *super.so* or *potion.so. Just paste your Notion link, and it gives you a more polished and fast-loading website version. You can even connect your custom domain to make it look like a standalone site. Bonus, portfolio design tips. Here are some quick things to keep in mind. Use headers and dividers to make it visually clean. Add a profile picture or logo at the top. Keep it mobile friendly. Test it on your phone. Avoid long walls of text. Use bold text for important sections or keywords. Also, keep your portfolio updated. Add new projects every few months. Tweak your About section when needed. And keep your contact links fresh. And that's it. You now have a fully functioning, good-looking freelance portfolio that lives online, works on mobile, and costs nothing. Let me know in the comments if you'd like access to my free Notion portfolio template.